Leonie, what are you having? Inday. Give Mama one there. Can you give Mama one? You okay? There's a hair. There's a strand of hair. Give Mama one. Give Mama one, please. Please. Just one. Thank you so much. Oh, you gave me two. Aw, you're very kind. You know that. Thank you. Thank you. Say hi, Tita. Dito here. Look. Say hi, guys. Welcome back to channel natin. You shush? Are you shy? Hey, are you shy? Nagpakita pala ako. Ay, anak, be. Pakita natin yan, be. Kay tita tsaka tito, be. Tignan nyo, guys. So, nagtingin ako sa eBay last week. Tapos, ito yung tignan nyo yung binili ko, guys. See? Tiki-tiki star. Naaalala ko to. Ito yung sa Pilipinas na sikat noong una, di ba? Yung wala pang yung mga bagong mga ano ngayon. Ito talaga yung pinapainom sa mga babies sa Pinas. It's like vitamins ba. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, yeah, I'll give it a try for Celine. Kasi si Celine, wala yan siyang vitamins, guys. Thank you. So ang ating Ate Paris, bago lang yan siya nag-start ng vitamins. Sa gabi, pinapatry ko sana, guys. Pero iniisip nila na medicine ito. So ayaw nilang i-take. Sabi ko, ano bang gagawin ko? Pwede kaya itong ihalo sa drinks nila or sa pagkain. I don't know if it's effective, no? Kapag ganyan, dapat siguro sana ipainom talaga ba katulad ng medicine ba? Anyways, I'll give this a try. Kasi maganda to siya kasi pwede to kay Ate Paris tsaka kay Baby Celine. For both pa. Anyways, ito yung binili ko. Tapos, meron pang isa. Rick Skin. First time kong gumamit nito, guys. So, obviously, yung seller sa eBay, she is from Melbourne. Pero Pinay yun siya, guys. Kasi binibenta niyang mga, kung anik-anik ay mga Filipino products pa. So, the other day, nag-search ako din sa YouTube. Yun yung ginagawa ko, guys. Kapag may gusto kong malaman, YouTube, Google, ganon, para malaman natin kung ano yung mga idea ng ibang tao, diba? So, I research about melasma kasi nga yung aking melasma is getting worse. Tingnan nyo, sobrang clear. Kita ba ninyo dyan, guys? Kitang-kita na siya, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Dito, magkabilaan ba? So, dahil nga yan sa init. Last year, if you remember, gumamit ako ng Skin Magical na exfoliating set. And it actually helped. Nakita ko talaga yung yung resulta niya ba. I think, meron sa inyo nakakita din na nag-work talaga siya kasi nag-lighten yung aking melasma. So, after that, umuwi kami ng Pinas, hindi ko na naalagaan yung aking skin. Yun bang routine ko every night, ito ganyan, maglagay ng ito ganyan. So, nawala na yun siya kasi on the go kami palagi sa Pinas, palagi may ginagawa. Kung pwede nga lang, hindi na matulog para masulit yung time doon sa Pinas. So, hindi na ako nakapaglagay ng kung anik-anik. Yes, I put like sunscreen, but sa tingin ko, hindi yun siya enough. So, since then, nung sa Pinas kami, ay sobrang klarong-klaro na yung aking melasma. Nagtingin-tingin ako online, and yung nakita ko na video sa YouTube, ay inano niya to. Sabi niya, nag-help talaga daw sa kanyang skin, nag-lighten daw talaga yung kanyang melasma. So sabi ko, why not try it, 'di ba? Pero alam nyo ba, parang naaanuhan ako kasi itong melasma kasi guys, sabi nila, wala na talaga siyang cure. So, you can like minimize yung parang, ano niya ba, yung pagkaitim niya, pero hindi talaga siya nawawala. Especially itong sa akin daw is because like hormones. What is wrong? So, wala na talaga siyang pag-asa, guys. So, itong mga ganito ay tumutulong lang siya para ma-minimize siya. Tingnan, hindi siya masyadong madilim. Madilim? Hey, look, tita's looking. Oh, what are you doing? No. So, hopefully, first time ko siyang ginamit kagabi, tapos kaninang umaga. Hopefully, mag-work siya sa akin, guys. Kasi kailangan ko talaga ng help. So, yung laman ay yung toner. May sabon na kinat ko. Ayan, para tumagal. And then, merong exfoliating cream and moisturizing cream. Alam nyo guys, yung na-notice ko sobrang liit niya. Natatakot akong gamitin kasi parang 3 times lang ay mauubos na siya eh. Sobrang liit lang talaga niya. Ilang ano lang ba tabi? Nakalagay. Itong aking anak ay, tete. May nakalagay ba? 10 grams. Yan, sobrang liit lang talaga niya. Anyway, sa mga nakagamit na nito guys, let me know in the comment section below if nag-work siya sa inyo. Kasi, I'm very excited na mag-lighten ulit ang aking skin. We're going to pick up Ate Paris soon guys, kasi it's now to 12 ng hapon. And, yeah. Pick up time soon. Hinihintay ko lang yung message ng isang customer natin kasi may pick up ng bag dito. And, actually, andyan na. Nasa labas na daw siya. You go with Mama? Come on. Come on. Yay! Yay! Repayan ko lang. Alright, come on. You wanna go with Mama or you wanna watch TV? Huh? Go with Mama. Alrighty. She's downstairs now. Aling. So, ito yung bag na pipick upin niya, guys. Open the door. Open the door. Ito yung bag. Bye-bye, bag. Yeah. Nice one. Ready?
A few moments later.
Put it up. So we go pick up Ate Paris. Yeah, shoes. Beautiful shoes. Beautiful shoes. Yay! Do you like it? So, aalis kami ngayon guys. Pipick upin na natin ang ating Ate Paris. Nagbihis ako ng top kasi kanina nakaano ako parang knit na jumper ba. Alam nyo ba? Lumabas kami. I was sweating. So, even though walang araw ngayon, very overcast. Pero sobrang humid pa rin guys. Kaya nag-change ako ng top. So, ngayon, pag-pick up natin kay Ate Paris guys, ay hindi muna tayo uuwi. Pupunta tayo sa remember na mention ko sa previous vlogs natin na may nakilala kaming isang Korean na mom. Half din siya yung anak niya. Half American, half Korean. So, kahapon, nag-coffee/breakfast kami sa isang cafe after ng school drop-off. And in-invite niya kami na mag-play date daw yung si Ate Paris siya yung anak niya with, by Bisanin sa bahay niya. So, at 4 o'clock, pupunta kami sa bahay nila for the first time. Sabi niya, meron daw silang playroom. Pwede daw makakapaglaro si Ate Paris doon, tsaka yung anak niya si William. Kasi similar age lang sila. Like, isang buwan lang yung agwat nila. So, that's where we're going. And yeah, it's going to be like really exciting, guys, kasi ito siya ngayon. She is she really makes an effort na parang siya nag-message na gusto mo magkita tayo, magkape tayo, ganito ganyan. And then kahapon sabi pa niya na play date with daw her son. So I appreciate it. Bring your water. You bring your water. Bring your water. So, see you, tita. See you. Sorry. Keluar sa dari mo. Take the car key. Dala tayo ng nappy, wipes, and water. May baby sila yun. Yun lang yung litbit. Ay, thank you Lord, na-upload siya. So, nag-upload ako ng isang video, guys, para meron tayong vlog tonight. Alright, Lily girl. Hey. Hey, we're going. You wanna say bye-bye to Daddy? Bye-bye, Daddy. Go. Say bye, Daddy.
See ya.
See you. Mama. Say hi, guys. We're going to see pick up at the bus. We're going to see Ate Paris. Woohoo! Okay. Go. Ready, steady? Go. Okay. It's raining, man. Huh? It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining, man. Yes. I know, right? It's raining. Ay, drizzle na naman siya, guys. Hindi naman siya malakas na ulan. Yes. Nagpaalam na kami ay kay mahirap nang magkalisod-lisod. I know. You excited to see Ate Paris? Yes. Apo. Ate Paris is here now, guys.
Hello.
Hello. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang hair. Very colorful.
I am 5 years old now.
You are.
Even though I'm so really tiny.
Aw, that's alright. We just have to eat more.
Bigger.
You'll get bigger. You'll get bigger. Just have to eat more.
Like bigger.
Come, mama. Dito kami sa Vietnamese bakery, guys. Nag-stop kami. Yes. Oh my God, naginit. I'm so happy. Nagbihis ako ng top. Okay, so this is yours, okay? Di, show yours, Di. What did you get?
And a cupcake. I like the ear and the unicorn horn.
Look, where's the Lainey's?
Mama.
This one. Oh, nag-stop kami dito, guys, kasi gusto kong bumili nito. Pa-something lang ba na pagdating namin doon sa kanila, meron kami ano ba? Guys, ganun.
Baba, we give Lily and just candy.
No, we're giving them this one. Yeah.
The whole entire?
Yeah, the whole entire packet. 4 of them.
We don't like have that for lunch.
Here you go. You can have yours.
I just took mine like this already. I just took mine like this. I just took the whole entire wrap.
Oh, did you? Okay, I'll do the same with Celine. Oh my God. I'm sweating, guys. Grabe.
But I'm not.
Napakainit ba?
I'm not. I'm not.
You're not? Yummy na. Think about Lin. No, don't do that lang. May aso kasi sa likuran, guys. Natatakot siya. Ang mga taslakan. Peekaboo, ling ling. Here, do you want this? Mama's gonna have it.
Mine.
It's yours. Oy, takar ka. Finish na? Ah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Ulit na.
Mama, I know what that says. You.
Huh?
Know what I'm going to say?
Mm-hmm.
You know what that says you that I'm going to say?
What is it?
So, just have a guess.
You?
Yeah. What do you think I'm going to say that I said you? What do you think I'm going to say?
Anda?
No.
Yeah. I got it right, didn't I?
No. Up. Up.
Are you sure?
Yeah, what's up?
Are you sure you didn't change it?
No, I didn't, Mama.
Okay,
It was
alright.
up.
Alright, then it's up. Well
I'm
done.
not tricking you.
Well done.
It was really up.
Nang, nahubo-ubuan naman ka na. Ay, la. Mama. Mama. You call daddy. Call daddy? Te, eat your cupcake na, te. Nilalaro ng may-ari.
Mama.
Ano? Say, peekaboo. I see you. Ate! Uy, eat your cupcake na ba? The fly will eat it. No more for you.